How to fix Discord game sdk.dll was not found error. For this first step, open up settings, click app settings, click install app, scroll down and search for Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. Click the three dot icon on the right hand side, click advanced option, scroll down. Under reset you have seen repair and reset, click it. Once repair complete after, click reset. Close it and come to next step. Install Microsoft Visual C++. For this you need to go to the browser, go to the official website of Microsoft, download and install the latest version. This is the official website of Microsoft, download and install the latest version. If you already having means you need to go to settings, click app settings, click install app, scroll down and search for Microsoft Visual C++. If you having the latest version means you need to click the three dot icon in the right hand side and click modify and click repair. Do it for both 64 and 86 bit, and also you need to download both 64 and 86 bit. After completing, close it and come to next step. Search for command prompt, right click and click run as administrative and type the following text: sfc space slash scan now. Click enter and wait for some time because it's actually verifying your drivers. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it, and also it will notify in this section if any corrupted file having means it will notify here after completing 100% which location have the corrupted file. There is no corrupted file available. After that, exit it and restart your device. Thank you.